Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to set up your TiviMate IPTV. So, if you already seen the video on what is TiviMate, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So, make sure you download or make sure you click the link in the description and then you go to download APK here, okay? Or if you're on Android, download it on your Google Play Store, which will take you there too. I'll have both links in the description below, so definitely check it out. It should take you to either one of those. And I actually think it's off the Play Store now, so it's not going to work. Okay, they do have TiviMate Companion. Actually, no, it says item not. Yeah, so disregard that. So yeah, just go to download APK. It's going to download the file. Make sure you install it, and yeah, we'll check out TiviMate here in a second. All right, and I'm gonna add a playlist EPG M3U link that I have, which is legal. So I'm gonna take it here and I'm gonna copy it here and I'm going to add playlist. You can pick which one you have here depending on which one you have. All right, and then I added it here, and as you can see, it made it into a playlist with the channels here. I'm going to hit next, and then you can add an EPG URL as well. You can definitely check that out too with more information. And then after that, you will have all of your channels here, which are pretty dope, and you can select them. They will load, so depending on your internet connection, the information will load here. And like I was saying, you're able to record with DVR. You're able to watch multiple shows at once. You're able to search up shows as well on here. There's definitely a lot of things you can do on here, which is pretty neat. So definitely check this out. And yeah. Now they said it's not good for touchscreens, so it's probably best for remotes. I can tell you that. So like on the left side of here, there's your DVR for all your recordings, and then they're separated here by categories, but of course you can edit them and change them up, and they change the channels depending on what it is. So definitely just check it out. This is my one that I found, and you can find others, so definitely check it out. If you need any help, let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.